In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to WordPress, a valuable skill that can help monetize your website by displaying ads. If you have a blog or an online platform, integrating AdSense can be a great way to earn passive income. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can get your website up and running with Google Ads in no time. First, ensure that you have an approved Google AdSense account. If you haven't created one, head over to the Google AdSense website and sign up. You'll need to provide some information about your site and verify your ownership. This approval process can sometimes take a few days, so be patient. Once your account is approved, you'll be all set to move forward. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the theme section, where you typically manage your website's appearance. Here, you'll want to find and activate a widget-ready theme if you haven't already, as this will make it easier to place ad units in various parts of your site. A widget-ready theme offers flexible areas for you to insert custom code or plugins without needing to dive into any complex back-end changes. Now, return to your Google AdSense account and click on the Ads tab. This is where you create new ad units. Select the ad type that you think will best suit your site, whether it's display ads, in-feed ads, or perhaps an article ads. AdSense provides various options to fit your content style and layout. After choosing the ad type, you'll be prompted to customize its appearance such as size and color so it seamlessly integrates with your site's design. Adopt a design that aligns with your brand but still maintains visibility for optimum revenue generation. Once satisfied, save the settings, and Google will generate a code snippet. Copy this code carefully. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard and hover over Appearance, then select Widgets. Choose the widget area where you'd like to place the ad for maximum visibility. Common spots include sidebars or headers. Click on Add Widget and select Custom HTML from the list of widgets available. Now, in the text area provided, paste the AdSense code you copied from your Google account. After inserting the code, be sure to save changes to the widget settings. Double-check that the widget is activated and visible where you want it to appear. Finally, it's important to test if the ad appears properly on your site. Visit your website and refresh the page to ensure that the ad is displaying as expected. And there you have it. Google AdSense is now configured and ready to generate revenue. Remember, it may take a little while for ads to start showing up as Google processes the context and content of your site. Keep monitoring your AdSense dashboard to see how your ads are performing and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial helps you tap into the potential of Google AdSense on your WordPress site.